It's your girl Ray, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How about I got the wrong side? How I get the wrong side? But we gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna see how it's gonna turn out. I was supposed to get the big ones, but I thought those was the right ones, but they not. I think I should do bigger sections. I don't know. Maybe this will be bigger because I only have 2 packs. Probably should have got a third one, but we gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Not gonna lie to you, I'ma do this part off camera. Because this is taking long.
Kid Ocean.
Okay, this is the half that I did first. But I'm gonna just pop up. Alright, so I'm done. I don't know how I'm sleeping tonight. Because but I'm about to put the dryer so it can dry. I'll put some oil, a little bit of drops. I got this one, this low porosity. Y'all see that? So I'm gonna see how this one works. I'm not gonna put a lot because I don't wanna put too much and it don't dry. And I'll put the heat. Cause it's like the worst when the oil get on your pillow. But I be getting so much acne just from that. See y'all in the morning. Like literally the next few hours because I decided this the time I want to do it. knowing I gotta get up early in the morning. It's the morning. It's the morning. Let me take it out. I look like somebody auntie. Yeah. I look like somebody auntie.
Kid Ocean.
What did I do? It's giving somebody auntie. See, because this one is like that, but I'm gonna do it again. But the next time, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna just do the whole thing with the rod. Cause I thought it was gonna be like real cute, but I don't know. See this. I don't know. I gotta do like a part 2 for this one because this. Oh, shoot. I look like I just woke up. I look like I just got out of bed. Like, how I made this look cute? I'm about to do it again tomorrow. Because what is this? Alright, so this is my hair. I don't really like it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't like it. But I gotta go to school, so I'm about to go do this. But I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna just put it in the same video instead of making 2 parts. It's all the same. Like this side, it look good, but it's like I messed up this side. You know? Like, I would have been okay if this side looked like this side. Then it would have been better. But like, I don't know what I got going on over here. But over here, it just looks so good. Do it look cute with the glasses? I'm not gonna lie, I can't even see with this light. I am not trusting the process. This is not giving nothing.
Hey, how you going out like this?
I'm mad.
Okay.
So I did it again, and don't look at my shirt because I accidentally spilled the oil on my shirt. So don't look at it. I did it again, but this time I did it without the braid in the front. So I'm gonna go put my outfit on for school, and then I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so now this time, this side was looking like how this side looked yesterday. This side was looking like how this side was looking yesterday. I didn't even pick it or nothing. So I don't understand why it look different. That don't make sense. But I think the braided one is better than the regular one. I'm confused. Why does it do that? Let me put my glasses on. Maybe I don't see for real. A pimple right here.
Kid Ocean.
At this point, I might gotta pack it up. I gotta pack it up because this is not giving, like, I don't know. Or maybe I just don't like it, but like, to me, it's like, well, I like this. Like, why the whole thing can't look like this?